guys, this is Matt Ellington. I'm the building company president with Arthur Ruttenberg Homes in Richmond, Virginia. Today we're out in beautiful Goochland County at the site of our first model home. It's called the Addison. On our sign here, you can see a picture of the front of it. It is a modern farmhouse-style home. We've got the foundation going in the background here. We'll take a walk back here and point out a few things for you. So we're inside the footprint of the foundation here, and we're standing on top of the concrete footers. We poured those last week. The footers serve as the base for the foundation. After we pour the concrete, our engineer comes out and he puts in these nails here that you can see with the little pink flags. They mark all the corners on the house, and that's how our mason knows how to set the foundation up. So we're on the front corner of the house here. Down below you can see part of the pink flag that was on this nail, but that's what our masons use to set this front corner. This is going to be a brick and block foundation wall. Right now we just have the block in, and we're using two different size blocks. We have an 8-inch block and a 12-inch block. The 8-inch block is what we're actually going to be framing off of. The reason why we use the 12-inch block is because it creates this nice ledge down here, and it'll support our brick part of our foundation. After we backfill this and we push the dirt up against it, you won't see the block, you'll just see the brick that's sitting on top of this. On top here you can see our anchor bolts. This is what we use to tie down the first framing member, which will be a sill plate. We'll talk a little bit more about that when we get to the framing stage. This is Matt with Arthur Ruttenberg Homes. Please continue to follow us on Instagram and Facebook.